Sanibonani bafana namantombazane. Hello boys and girls. Welcome to your new week and your new Isizulu lesson. And we're also going to be doing a new theme. So everything is just new and it's exciting. Today is the 6th of Untulikazi, which is July 2020. Alright, so before we start our lesson, let's see what you need for it and give you some time to collect all of that. Alright, so for this lesson, you're going to need ibhuku elihlaza, your blue book. And in your blue book, you're going to need to go to page 70. And then you also need ibhuku elinemigqa, your line book. And you need ipensela, pencil. Okay, so make sure that you collect all of that and you have it ready. Alright, so on page 70, at the bottom, so there's a little song or poem there, and then just at the bottom of it there, in your gray square, or rectangle rather, there are words and it is your numbers vocabulary. Okay, so it's words for numbers. All right, so we can just go through them quickly and then we'll go through them again and then you'll get to write them. Okay, so the first one here I will underline so you can see iqanda. Hopefully you're looking in your book. Iqanda is the first one, and here it's written egg, naught or zero. Okay, so iqanda, I'm sure boys and girls you still remember when we did ukudla, iqanda was egg. So they're just saying that's also a word for egg, but in this instance obviously it's a zero. Okay, naught, that's how you also say zero, but I'm sure you've learned it as zero, so we're going to keep it there. So no, iqanda is zero. And then kunye is 1. Kubili is 2. Kutatu, 3. Kune, 4. Kuhlanu, 5. Isithupha, 6. Isikhombisa, 7. Isishiyagalombili, 8. Isishiyagalolunye. Okay, so I see that here they say isishiyagalolunye. You can say that or you can just stick to isishiyagalolunye. I would say just stick to saying isishiyagalolunye. So take out the e. Okay, the I and the y, take that out and then leave isishiyagalolunye, like you would say isishiyagalombili. Okay, and then ishumi is 10. All right, so now we're going to move on so that we see the numbers on their own, and we're going to be writing in our line books. Okay, so make sure that you have those ready. Okay, remember you're going to write your date and then you're going to write your heading. Okay, and then the first one, iqanda, is 0. Okay, then the next one, kunye, is 1. So here I have the number and I have the word for Isizulu and the English word. Okay, then the next one, kubili, 2. Kubili, 2. Kutatu, 3. Okay. Okay, the next one, kune, 4, kuhlanu, 5, isithupha, 6. Okay, so hopefully you're looking at the spelling and also the spelling for the English, and then obviously the number is there. So when you write it, you can write the Isizulu, put a dash, and then write the English, and then put the 4, the number 4, next to it, so you can see which one it is. Okay. Next is isikhombisa, 7, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalombili is 8. Okay, and then isishiyagalolunye is 9. Isishiyagalolunye is the number 9. Alright, and the last one is ishumi, ishumi, and that is 10. Right. Okay, now you can go ahead and write down in your line book, so you can look from your page 70 in your blue book. You can look there for all of the numbers, and you write your date as I've done here, but obviously you actually write the actual date. I just didn't because there's a space. And you write your heading, which is Ukubala, counting, and then you write all the way from 0 iqanda to ishumi, which is 10. Okay, so make sure you write all of those numbers, and then you're going to be done. You're going to go off, and that's going to be it. And then the last thing is, remember, if you are doing your work online, remember to send me your work so I can see it. Right. Have fun, boys and girls. If you need any help, please ask. If you're in class, you can ask your class teacher. And if you are online working on Teams, you can just send me a message and I'll be right there to help you. Okay, salam gahle, boys and girls.